What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, as you see, we took apart many of the interior pieces here and we have them all laid down here. So we got the armrest, we got the steering wheel completely taken apart, we got the satin finish trims because they're going to go all carbon fiber. This is a piece that we actually wrapped to see how it was going to look on the car. So basically this is a technique that we use to, it is relatively expensive because this is really high quality vinyl wrap. It's a product that 3M makes and it's a 4D carbon fiber. In fact, if you see this, other than where it pulled up, because we're in a greenhouse, so obviously all the trims got pulled up, it's basically carbon fiber. But anyways, yeah, today I've just been on the phone with a guy that owns a company that makes racing components for race cars, and nothing. He's gonna hook us up with a brand new carbon fiber wing. The design of the wing comes off of a Huracan Evo, which is the Huracan GT3 Cup version, so the version that actually does the Gran Turismo race. And yeah, he's gonna hook me up with that wing. The only thing is that we gotta make custom supports, which he will manufacture for me and his company, and also the width. So today we have to disassemble and expose the rear frame of the car so that I can actually order all the right brackets for the car, and that he can adjust, because he already has the wing done for me. He can adjust the length so that it won't stick over the wheels and be not road legal. So we're going to make it as compact and yet as usable as possible. It's a wing that we were talking about statistics, and his wing creates an average load at 100 kilometers an hour of 95 kilograms. So it should be pretty good, especially on a light car like the Evora. It should do its work even too well. And yeah, I just hope that there's not going to be too much wind noise due to the new wing. But yeah, let's get to work straight away. I'll grab my tools and we'll start taking apart completely the rear end of the Evora. Something I'm extremely excited, and since we got the rear bumper and stuff removed, and we already removed the original one, today, thankfully, even if coronavirus is around, shipments are working, and I'm so excited to show you guys this, because look what just came in. What's up guys, we just provisorily fitted the new exhaust because we were dying to see what it was gonna sound like, and yeah, the satin black tips look so much better than the chromed ones we had before. And yeah, let's let this thing heat up a little bit like this, so we're gonna show you how things sound. First startup. Wow. Something else that I started working on, and I will show you guys in a second the whole process. We will actually go on the computer, grab CATIA and actually make this, are the brake exhaust vents up front. So on the two front fenders like race cars have. So guys, it is a late night right now. Just uploaded the model to Cura. I'm gonna basically make it in two components. This is one, the second one is gonna create the wings in the middle. Finished model, and yeah, we're pretty much waiting 22 hours for this model, and it's actually just part of it. We have it here printing it. It's still printing. I mean, it's almost done.
36 hours later, the print is actually done, and I actually glued them together. And yeah, this is gonna sit something like this.
Moving inside, this car has got originally from Lotus an upgraded sound system, which was an option back in 2012 when this car came out, and it has two front tweeters mounted on the dash and two speakers on the door. Unfortunately, the old owner got a sound system done, and it was just awful. There were speaker cables running all over the interior of the car, and the tweeters were actually mounted on the back. There were two additional tweeters really badly cabled up and stuff, and so we actually decided to increase the sound quality inside here, and we'll do that by adding two mid-range speakers on the two rear corners of the car to give it that surround system type of feel inside here. So let's get to work. We're gonna start working on those now. Anyways, yeah, this is the idea. So this is what we left off with yesterday. Okay, so it's not forget the fact that it's not nice. That doesn't really matter, because all the tolerances where the piece of MDF actually goes with the gasket here are accurate and on spot. So, and forget about it, because like it's going to be glued to the panel, so you'll see this face, and the circle is perfect, this is good, everything. So guys, this is what came out of the first piece. It's looking good. I don't know if you guys can see the speaker, because I can see it. With the light shining through it, you can actually see the speaker. But that's good, it means that it's breathing well. And plus, it looks like a very simple triangle, so we did give it the shade glue on it and stuff, and so it's ready for the car. I'll do from the back the stitches and all. We good! This is done. Let's do the second one and fit them back in the car and see how they sound. There you have it. 2 days after, 2 days of work later, we got the stupid triangles to fit. You can see the panel. It actually looks really smooth and good. Follows the flow of the car and of the panel. It looks like fits just like OEM. I'm really happy with this job. A lot better than the stupid tweeters that were there screwed in with a wooden screw from the front. So now we'll give this thing a clean and move on to the other one. So guys, going forward on with making this car look less cheap than what it was originally, we obviously removed the plasticky with the fake chrome speaker grills from the front as well. We did the matching to the rear ones, and they look a lot more flush. They actually follow the stitching on the door. And we also added an LED that's gonna go all the way around. It's gonna continue on the dash of the car and obviously on the other door as well. And it will be seeable also when the door is open. So really nice. Now we're just holding on getting the carbon fiber done, and this door panel can go back on the car.